already in February? Oh my goodness, where is 2022 going? Phew, flying by. It's Valentine's month, the month of love. And I know that a lot of you are probably thinking about what you want to give this Valentine's Day, maybe what you want to receive, what kind of an experience you would like to have. And so I wanted to make a gift guide for you, but instead of it just being my thoughts and ideas, because what I like or want may not be what you like or want. Also, I'm the female perspective. I thought, wouldn't it be cool if I could enlist the help of some friends of mine, both male and female, to share what it is that they would like to have this Valentine's Day. So I rounded up my posse and I got everybody to record a short video of maybe what's meaningful to them, gifts that they want, gifts that they've received, and how they like to celebrate Valentine's Day. So here we go.
Hi ladies. For this Valentine's Day, I will go with the one and only Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, the pink version of it, or maybe a fragrance from Carolina Herrera, the good girl or the very good girl one. I just love Carolina Herrera. And why not maybe the Little Night Out collection from Drunk Elephant. I love Drunk Elephant as well because they are Texans. And always and forever, lots of flowers. Happy Valentine's Day.
I think some guys, want a bottle of cologne or a sweater or a nice shirt for Valentine's Day. Frankly, what I like most is a gift card from Lowe's or Home Depot or Woodcraft or Rockler Hardware. I love to have a stack of gift cards when I go looking for stuff I need to fix something around the house or to work on my hobby, woodworking. So yeah, a gift card, that's the ticket.
Valentine's Day. What makes a good gift? A consultation with me. That makes a good gift because a consultation with me makes it so that you're in the mood for Valentine's Day. And I'll teach you how to make all your Valentine's Days great. Ask for a consultation with Menopause Taylor. Happy Valentine's Day.
So Valentine's Day, I love Valentine's Day, one of my favorite holidays because I love as in I-L-O-V-E space L-O-V-E. And also one of my love languages is gift giving. So I not only love to give gifts, I love to receive them as well. Having said that, for Valentine's Day, for me, it's never had to be something super duper over the top. I've gotten some really good ones over the years, things like tickets to sporting events, which were really cool. But for me, I like the practical as well. In my profession, my wardrobe is kind of important. I wear suits and ties. And so for a lot of guys, getting a tie for Valentine's Day may become stale. But for me, I really love it because it's something that I can use. It's something that's really practical. And so I think when it comes down to getting just a really fantastic gift for Valentine's Day or any other holiday is just knowing that particular individual and getting a gift that speaks to him and speaks of him. Having said that, there are a lot of guys may not come across as particularly romantic, but some of the best gifts I've gotten is, when my wife decides to get romantic and sort of give of herself. Those usually turn out to be a pretty good Valentine's Day remembrances.
Hey everyone, happy Valentine's Day. Okay, this year, what I would love for Valentine's Day, I think from a Valentine or a Galentine, a new red lipstick. One of my favorites is the NYX NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Monte Carlo. So good, it feels like you have nothing on. It's perfect, especially for Valentine's Day if you're going out on a date or whatever you have planned. Another thing is the Revlon oil absorbing stone roller. It's a roller that you put on top of your makeup for areas that you may be a little shiny, oily, and it works like a charm. It blurs everything. For sure at the top of my list. And last but not least, I have been dying to get a perfume set from Sephora. Sephora has this really cool program. They sell a lot of minis, and you can get a collection of between, I would say, 5 to 10 mini perfumes. And it's it's probably around $30. And then whatever mini perfume you like the best, it comes with a certificate. You can redeem that certificate and go get a full-size one for free. So, yeah, I think our lips are going to be nice and we're going to be smelling good this Valentine's Day.
What to get your guy for Valentine's Day? Well, let me tell you, I got this clock from my mom when she had dementia, and when she passed, I got it, and I love it. Trust me. Any guy, anybody will love it. Water pick, I hate to floss, I love it. But these, only you can get these for your guy. His boss can't get them for him, his mom can't get them for him, his best friend can't get them for him, even he can't buy them for himself. So, believe me, you might do yourself a favor and him by getting that, or you can just go safe and get a robe. Robes are good.
Hey, you know what I think the best Valentine's gift ever is? It's not more stuff. I don't want more stuff. I can buy my own stuff. I want something that is homemade, that comes from the heart. A poem. You can write me a song. A poem's really easy. You might think you can't write a poem, but how about a haiku? It's really easy. It's really short. That is something I'm going to keep forever. And then make me dinner. I don't want to go out to dinner and sit in a restaurant with a whole bunch of other people. This Valentine's Day is Monday night. It's the beginning of the week. Let's cook some Italian food, have some nice red wine, and just snuggle up on the couch together. It's cheap, it's easy, and it comes right from the heart.
Look, Dee, I think the three most overrated things in life are New York lawyers, Notre Dame football, and wait. Oh yeah, Valentine's Day. Okay. I'm still traumatized by a woman sending me a text back when nobody texted to break up with me on Valentine's Day. I think maybe like in the Carter administration. But what do I want? Let me see. This is going to be difficult. You have to understand that the women whom I date are somewhat younger than perhaps your target demographic. And I tell them, if you want to give a gift to me, what do I like? There's a woman whom I'm still friends with, who actually bought me this Princeton baseball shirt, who lives in Princeton, that sends me these little samplers of women's cologne. And I love them because I smell much better than if I do like, high karate or whatever it was that we wore during the 60s. That's number one. Number two.
Women's cologne. Okay, good start.
I'm trying out for the ice capades when this take is over. Secondly, and you know this, near and dear to my heart, I love anything and everything involving cupcakes. So if you're going to get me a gift certificate to Gigi's, even though you have to go all the way to Austin to do it, or to Crave, I'm like, that to me is what heaven on earth is like. So I really think, notwithstanding these samplers, because, I love them, I'm heterosexual, and cupcake gift certificates, seriously, this year, I'm broadening my horizons. This year, I want an advanced copy of your book, all right?
Because you clearly are my target audience.
No, that's true. I want an advanced copy of the Bold, the Beautiful, and the Blessed You. And this is why. Because there's nothing that will make me more desirable to the 30-something women who I date that, again, take pictures of their food at Armando's than being conversant in the ways of postmenopausal women. So, can you hook a brother up? You can. I've never been happier.
And there we have it. Great collection, great assortment. Hopefully it got the juices flowing as to what it is that you'd like to gift to somebody, or maybe even possibly suggest to receive. I'm going to put the links to as many things as I can find and link to in the description portion of the video. Just click show more down below, or the down arrow to the right if watching on a cell phone or tablet. If you're asking or wondering me what I like for Valentine's Day, to me, there is nothing better than the expression of love. So I guess I'm aligned with Susan in that write me something, show me something, express something that means more than any gift could buy. Just wish me a happy Valentine's Day. Say I love you. That's good enough. It's all I need. I wish you a beautiful and blessed Valentine's Day. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial next week to give you some ideas if you are going out and you want a makeup look. That will be next Thursday's video. So I'll see you then. Bye.